Plants that grow on trees or surfaces are called epiphytes, and they don't really need soil to be able to grow. But they can be adapted to grow in a potting medium that will retain a bit more moisture. This will need to be fast draining, retain some water, and allow plenty of air to flow around the roots. If you want to make your own soil for your epiphytic plants, you can mix these components. For bark, perlite or pumice, compost or all-purpose potting soil, and chopped sphagnum moss. If you think these guides are helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and from all of us at Planta, happy planting!